Good morning, dear student. Once again, welcome in the second video of On Saying Please, that written by H. Gardner. I think that the fragrance of goodness may reach to your home or may reach to your surrounding. Now you are quite familiar how this goodness or how these etiquettes and manners are important in our life. uh, at one corner, if one does not follow this, so it is the cause to create the pollution in the society. Exactly, if we follow this, then it help us to linger the same fragrance. In fact, there is no need to sniff that fragrance, it automatically come to your nose. So this is exactly the magic of this magical words. Two or three examples that we have gone through: the example of Captain Absolute, thereafter the example of that passenger liftman, and then we come to know that how this becomes the importance of these etiquettes and manners. But unfortunately, there are no such rules which can compel us to follow these rules and regulation. Because next to this, it is very normal expectations from being human or a human being that we must follow this, because we have such a culture, and in the culture we are taught by our fathers and forefathers that why should we follow this. Right from the right from our birth, they are trying, or they try to create such a sacraments on our mind. Sacrament in the sense sanskar on our mind, and they want to mold or to form our brain in such a way that we should respect, we should follow these etiquettes and manners. And this we all saw in the first video of On Saying Please. Therefore, we also saw that there are no such decalogues, there are no such preaching which can control or which keep control over the behavior, which can control over the tongue of the human being. Or because we know that there is another side which can control the human being, that is the law of the government. But on very trivial activities of the human being, it's not possible for the government to control it, to keep in the mind and to make a law in such a way. So it's not a possible, it's a private matter. So we saw up to the moment. Now let's start. But though we are bound to endorse the verdict against the listman, most people will have certain sympathy with him. Of course, we are bound to follow the rules and regulations and the law of the government. But the sympathy from the heart definitely goes in favors of the liftman, because it is normally expected from the human being that that if someone is giving a service to us, we must ask him that please or thank you. We must use this magical word to create the fragrance of goodness, to create the fragrance of love in the atmosphere. But some people are so parsimonious, some people are so miser to use this word. I don't know that what's wrong with them, but such kind of people are there in this society. While it is true that there is no law that compels us to say please, there is a social practice much older than, much more sacred than any law, which enjoin us to be civil. A very well sentence that they made here. Sorry, once again, sorry, I use this magical word only for you because I give trouble to you here. So, while it is true that there is no law that compels us to say please, that there is such a social practice much older, than much more scared than any sacred, than any law which enjoins us to be civil. See that we already saw that no such a law, that or no one can compel us, no government can compel us, no religion can compel us to say please. We should give the priority to that. But no one can no one can ask us to go and to maintain these etiquettes and manners through your tongue or through your behaviors. No one can ask. There is a social practice much older than and much more sacred. Sacred means pavitra, than any law which enjoin us to be civil. We know we have certain tradition, and we Indian people are so orthodox. Orthodox not in the sense that we are superstitious. Orthodox in the sense what were the rules and regulations that formed by the society, and right from the very old days, they ask us that you must follow this being a human, because we know that how our parents are nurtured us. You know, they every now and then ask us to, you go, you must bow your head in front of someone, welcome some people, matru pitru bhava, some examples are there, atiti dev bhava, some particular things that we made the tagline of our life. Even we set that tagline in a salon of our home. So normally it is expected, and we have been following this. So how there is, or what there is a need, to form the rules and regulations and the law to control the private manners and the domestic matters of anyone. So it can, we have been nurtured by our parents in the same way to form and to you that we should use such kind of etiquettes and manners, and it should be shown by our behavior. तर अशीच काही गोष्ट आहे की कोणतेही लॉ आतापर्यंत अशा प्रकारचे नियम तयार झालेले नाही आहेत की ते आपल्याला जबरदस्ती करतील की आपण प्लीज म्हणावं, आपण एक्सक्यूज मी म्हणावं, आपण थँक्यू म्हणावं. असं काही एक्सपेक्टेड म्हणजे असेल तरी अशा प्रकारचे कोणते लॉ आपल्याला बाध्य करू शकत नाही. निश्चितच आपली सिम्पॅथी ही त्या लिफ्टमॅनसोबत असेल, परंतु किंवा आहे, परंतु मात्र कायद्याचं पालन करणंही आपल्याला तेवढंच गरजेचं असतं. इथे गोष्ट आपल्याला सांगावं लागेल, किंवा इथे गोष्ट आपल्याला प्रामुख्याने सांगितल्या गेलेली आहे की जरी आम्हाला हे प्लीज आणि थँक्यू आणि एटिकेट्स अँड मॅनर्स जरी आम्हाला कॉम्पेल जरी नसले, तर इतक्या वर्षापासून आमची जी संस्कृती निर्माण झालेली आहे त्या संस्कृतीमध्ये आम्हाला शिकवलं गेलेलं आहे. आजही लहानपणापासून, म्हणजे जेव्हा आमचा जन्म होतो, त्या जन्म झाल्यानंतर आमचे आईवडील, आपले आईवडील आपल्यावरती सतत अशा प्रकारचे संस्कार करत असतात की आपण मोठ्या लोकांसोबत कशा प्रकारे वागलं पाहिजे, लहान मुलांसोबत कशा प्रकारे वागलं पाहिजे, अतिथी देवोभव असतील किंवा अजून इतरत्र कोणतं असतील, प्राणीमात्रावरती आपण दया केली पाहिजे. इट्स ऑल द एटिकेट्स अँड मॅनर्स. किंवा आपण दुसऱ्यांच्या घरामध्ये जात असताना आपण थोडंसं नॉकिंग केलं पाहिजे. आपण इतर लोकांना घरामध्ये घेण्याकरता आपण वेलकम, अतिशय हास्यमुद्रेने आपण त्यांना वेलकम केलं पाहिजे. तर ह्या सगळ्या गोष्टी अतिशय एक्सपेक्टेड आहे. त्याला नियम करण्याची काय गरज आहे, हा एक सगळ्यात मोठा मुद्दा आपल्याला इथे दिसतो आहे. And the first requirement of civility is that we should acknowledge a service, please and thank you are the small changes with which we pay our ways as a social being. So it is our first requirement of the civility. Being a civil, the civility is that we should acknowledge a service. If someone hand over the, or if someone asks please take this tea, so we must offer him thanks. If we need to get a service of someone, we must ask him that will you do this work for me. If we need to ask something, if we need a phone of someone, we must ask him that could you please or could I use your phone. So these are the normal things. Of course, in any way that opponent person will help us, but it is our duty to get to do that or to get the things in a very polite way. So please and thank you are the magic word which makes a big changes with the small words in the society. So being a human being, it is very much expected from us. देर आर मराठीमध्ये सांगायचं राहिलं होतं की निश्चितचपणे एखाद्या वेळेस कोणी आपल्याला एखादा चहाचा ग्लास आणून दिलेला असेल, किंवा पाण्याचा ग्लास कोणी आपल्याला आणून दिलेला असेल, कोणी आपल्याला सर्व्हिस दिली असेल, मला कोणाला मागायचं काहीतरी असेल, तर मी निश्चितच थँक्यू म्हटलं पाहिजे, मी निश्चितच प्लीज म्हटलं पाहिजे. मला कोणाकडून जर काम करून घ्यायचं तर मी प्लीज त्याला म्हटलं पाहिजे. मला कोणाच्या घरामध्ये जात असताना मी काही नॉक केलं पाहिजे. मला कोणीतरी कोणती वस्तू सर्व्हिस कोणती दिल्यानंतर मी त्याला थँक्यू म्हटलं पाहिजे. मग इट डज नॉट अ मॅटर दॅट वेदर ही इज अ सुपिरियर ऑर इन्फिरियर, वेदर the opponent is a servant or whether he is an appellant. It's not a matter. The matter is about only the etiquettes and manners. Etiquettes and manners does not applicable to the special category. It is applicable to the all kinds of human in the sense human. It does not specialize, or it does not differentiate between opulent people, between well-cultured people, between inhuman people, or some downtrodden people. It does not recognize the sum. It is applicable to the every segment of this society. मग तो समाजातला कोणताही घटक असो, आम्ही त्यांना हे शब्द किंवा या प्रेमाने आम्हाला हे जग निश्चितपणे जिंकता येतं. They are the little courtesies by which we keep the machine of life oil and running sweetly. You know that when we do not use the things, or we do not use our bike for a long time, it creates a rust over the engine. And if there is a rust over the engine or some spare parts of any machine, it creates the obstacles to run that machine very smoothly. In the same way, the discourtesy and the ill humor, it's a kind of rust that create the obstacles to run that machine, to run that vehicle very smoothly. That's why we need to give the oil of courtesy, we need to give the oil of this manners and etiquette to the machine. Automatically it can run very smoothly. The same thing expected here, the same thing is expected here. They put our intercourse upon the basis of a friendly cooperation and easy give and take, instead of on the basis of the superior dictating to inferior. They put our intercourse in the sense communication or the conversation. We can apply the same thing to communicate with someone. If we use our smooth language, if we use magical words in the language, then definitely our intercourse can be smooth, because the entire society is depend or is run on the friendly and the cooperation. Okay, if you quarrel with some, if you are braggart, okay, so no one can be accompanied you in any other task, and easy give and take instead of the basis of the superior dictating to inferiors. Okay, even if you are the superior, even if you are the boss, even if you are the teacher, and some inferior and some students are there, you should not have the right to give them a command in a very rude manner, with a bully style. You can definitely ask them that, okay, come here my dear boy, get this work. You can ask please, you can ask video, we can ask with a polite manner, we can work with we can make them familiar with this word. Okay, so such kind of impression can be रिफ्लेक्टेड इन द सोसायटी. जर आम्ही आजही कोणत्या प्रकारचे जर कोणासोबत कम्युनिकेशन करत असेल, तर त्या कम्युनिकेशनमध्ये आज म्हणजे आम्ही निश्चितचपणे प्लीज असेल, ह्या ज्या मॅजिकल वर्ड्स आहेत, एटिकेट्स मॅनर्सचे जे वर्ड्स आहेत त्याचा वापर निश्चितपणे केला पाहिजे. या ठिकाणी मग तुमच्यापेक्षा कोणी श्रेष्ठ आहे किंवा तुमच्यापेक्षा कनिष्ठ आहे हे महत्त्वाचं, आणि महत्त्वाचं हे आहे की हे स्मूथ कम्युनिकेशन करत असताना आम्ही मग तो इन्फेरियर म्हणजे आमच्यापेक्षा कनिष्ठ असेल किंवा वरिष्ठ असेल, निश्चितच कोणी असो, मी तुम्हाला अगोदर जसं सांगितलं आहे की दॅट एटिकेट्स डज नॉट मेक द डिफरन्शिएट बिटवीन द पीपल, वॉट कॅटेगराईज पीपल आर देअर इन फ्रंट ऑफ हिम ऑर हर. सो म्हणून मी तुम्हाला इथे म्हणतो आहे की कोणी असो, आम्हाला त्यांच्यासोबत हे शब्दांचा वापर झालाच पाहिजे. It is where a vulgar mind that would wish to command where he can have the service for asking, and have it with willingness and good feeling instead of resentment. Many of such events, even I view that I got such kind of event where I such a people who used to be very indifferent with others. Certain vulgar people are there, certain vulgar minds are there, that when we can ask to go and get this work up, at the time when the work can be done with a very simple and easy manner, the people are making command over that. People are commanding over to the people and, hey, go and get the things from. So we should not use this language, okay? And how for the asking for the service, this happened many times. If we go in a hotel, in the hotel many servants are there. If we need a cup of tea from them, we can ask them, will you give a cup of tea, will you give a cup of tea to me, and after serving to them, we must thank you. But rather to use such magical words, we use, or being egoistic person, we ask them loudly, hey, where is there, a driver, or a peon, or a Waiter, come here. We use this language. Actually, we should not use this language and have it with a willingness, with good feeling instead of resentment. And we can ask them with a very polite manner, with a very humble manner. Once I was in a hotel with my friends, and when we asked um, some students were there of the college, because of their economic condition they came to serve in the hotel. So one of my friend asked him very rudely, "Hey waiter, come here. What kind of dishes are?" He put some normal questions to them. After giving service to that boy, I politely asked my friend, or told my friend, that these are the students. Helplessly they came here. They are giving their service, does not mean they are helpless, or they need to attend every kinds of command from us. If they can listen you, or they listen you at every manner, whether you told them politely, or whether you ask them in a rude manner, but rather if you use a very polite language with them, it could give a smile, or it could give a happiness to them. So rather than to use, so such kind of incident, or such kind of events may take place. So we must be cautious about that. We should not use this kind of language at public places, or at home, or at any other places. आपण बघतोय की जिथे अशा प्रकारचे वल्गर माइंड्स आपल्या समाजामध्ये काही विचित्र वात्रट लोक आपल्या समाजामध्ये असतात, की आपल्या पैशाचं म्हणा, आपल्या सुपेरियरिटीचं म्हणा, धवस लोकांवरती घालवते. उदाहरणार्थ हॉटेलमध्ये जर आम्ही गेलेलो असेल, तर मोठ्या आयडी वेटर कुठे लवकर पाठव द्याला, अशा प्रकारचा आवाज करून आम्ही त्याला बसतो असतो. माणसं म्हणून आम्ही त्यांचा आदर केला पाहिजे. त्यांच्या परिस्थितीने त्यांना नोकर बनवलेलं आहे. ते तुमचे नोकर नाही आहेत, ते परिस्थितीचे नोकर आहेत. तुम्हाला ते सर्व्हिस देऊन राहिलेले आहेत. रादर तुम्ही त्यांना थँक्स म्हटलं पाहिजे. पण अशाही प्रकारच्या या समाजामध्ये, आणि अशाही प्रकारच्या याच्यामध्ये अशा प्रकारचे लोक, अशा वात्रट आणि वल्गर माइंडमध्ये लोक जे असतात, ते आपल्याला दिसून येत असतात. I should like to feature in this connection my friend, the polite conductor. By this discriminating title, I do not intend to suggest or rebuke to conductor generally. We already have gone 2 or 3 examples of the etiquettes and manner. Now later on, one good example is there in front of us, which was the experience of the AG Gardener. This is AG Gardener should like to feature in this connection my friend polite conductor. One conductor was there. I shown you in the picture, the image of the bus inside of the bus, and the bus conductor who used to give a service to us in the bus. I should like to feature in this connection my friend, the polite conductor. Now he wanted to give an example of the polite conductor. By this discriminating title, I do not intend to suggest or rebuke to conductor generally. See that how humble A.G. Gardener here, and how polite language he used here. He took every cautious that he has not made any discrimination among the conductor. He made with his statement that by this discriminating title, I do not intend to suggest or rebuke to the conductor generally. On the contrary, I am disposed to think that there are few classes of the man who come through the ordeal of very trying calling better than bus conductor to do. एक एक्झाम्पल आपल्याला इथे त्यांनी दिलेलं आहे कंडक्टरचं, की मला जरी एका पोलाईट कंडक्टरचा एक ऑब्जेक्टिव्ह यांनी वापरलेला आहे, विशेषण वापरलेलं आहे. कसा कंडक्टर? अतिशय नम्र कंडक्टर. म्हटल्यानंतर थोडंसं आपल्याला वेगळंच काहीतरी वाटतं, की कंडक्टर आणि नम्र. ऑफकोर्स देर आर सर्टन काइंड्स ऑफ पीपल, ऑल कॅटेगराइज ऑफ पीपल आर देअर इन द सोसायटी. He had experienced that, and that's why he used to tell his experience in front of or with us. म्हणून ते अतिशय काळजीपूर्वक सांगताना सुद्धा आपल्याला म्हणतात आहे, की मला काही इथे कोणामध्ये भेदाभेद करायचं नाही, की विशिष्ट कंडक्टरच चांगले असतात आणि बाकीचे सगळे खडूस असतात, असं मला इथे काही म्हणायचं नाही आहे. सगळ्याच प्रकारचे कंडक्टर चांगले असतात, सगळ्याच प्रकारचे लोक चांगले असतात. दॅट समटाइम दे आर ऑल्सो हेल्पलेस, दॅट दे एन्काउंटर्ड सच अ पीपल दॅट they had to use such kind of language with the people. So, and second is, look at that job, how ordeal that jobs are. So out of that, sometimes they are furious over the people here, and you will meet an unpleasant specimen who regards the passenger as his natural enemies, as creature whose chief purpose on the bus is to cheat them, and who can only be kept reasonably honesty by loud voice and aggressive manners. Some 50 to 60 passengers are always in a bus, and all there are some different creature. I intentionally use this word creature in the sense वेगवेगळे प्राणी, सगळ्याच प्रकारचे नमुने स्पेसिफिक त्या बसमध्ये असतात, आपल्याला माहित आहे. Some are trying to cheat the conductor itself. Some are trying to hide the age of their children. Some are trying to use some different techniques. In the buses, in the city buses, when someone gets entry inside of another way, they will out by the another door of the same bus. So the people are not even in good, okay? So by using the experiences, or by using the experience of his life with the people, sometimes they are furious. Sometimes they need to call loudly in an aggressive manner with the people. सो दिस हॅपन एव्हरीवेअर. किंवा तुम्हाला माहिती आहे की काही जॉब जे असतात ते अतिशय आयडियल असतात. इतके क्षुल्लक आणि अशा प्रकारचे प्रश्न लोक विचारतात ना त्यांना, आणि त्यांचा पाला हा जवळपास एका दिवसामध्ये नाही म्हटलं तरी 200-300 नमुन्यांसोबत पडत असतो. आणि वेगवेगळ्या प्रकारचे नमुने, म्हणजे काही लोक अतिशय चांगले असतात, अतिशय सभ्य असतात, तर काही लोक नमुनेसुद्धा असतात. आणि म्हणून वेगवेगळ्या प्रकारचे अनुभव त्यांना त्यांचे असतात. काही लोक त्यांना चीट करण्याचा प्रयत्न करत असतात, असं सुद्धा त्याच्यामध्ये होत असतं. आणि म्हणून काही वेळ त्या लोकांना असतं. बट सम पीपल ऑर सम कंडक्टर्स आर देअर, सम पीपल आर देअर ऑफ ईच सेगमेंट. Okay, they are very, whatever the techniques or whatever the tactics that people use with them, they are always polite. They make a shield in front of them, the shield of politeness, the shield of etiquette, the shield of manners, the shield of goodness, and they create the same atmosphere in the same bus or in some offices or everywhere. So this is exactly the magic of some people, and A.J. Gardner had the experience of such a conductor, and he put here in front of us. But this type is rarer than it is used to be. I fancy the public owes much to the Underground Railway Company, which also runs the buses, for insisting on a certain standard of civility in servants and taking care the standard is observed. Later on he goes to say that I fancy the public owes much to the Underground Railway Company. In this, now the time has been changed. You see, if you call to the customer care of Dish TV, Airtel, your mobile phone, your cell phone, then Jio, then Airtel, and Idea, and whatever customer care centers are there, how polite are they? This is the technique. Even this time, if you go on the petrol pump of the Reliance, they always welcome you and say namaskar sir, namaskar. So these are some standardization that now the people and the companies are maintaining to attract the customer, because this is the need of the people. We are so civilized people, so normally it is expected, and the companies are also minding all these things. इथे एक उदाहरण आपल्याला दिलेलं आहे की अंडरग्राऊंड रेल्वे कंपनीला मला खरोखर धन्यवाद द्यावा लागेल की त्यांनी तिथे काही बस सर्व्हिस सुरू केली आहे. आणि त्या बस सर्व्हिसमध्ये जे काही त्यांनी कंडक्टर्स किंवा ड्रायव्हर्स तिथे त्यांनी जे काही नेमलेले असतील, त्यांनी सगळ्या गोष्टी शिकवलेल्या की हाऊ शुड यू बिहेव विथ पीपल, दो दे आर इंडिफरंट विथ यू, दो दे आर इंडिफरंट विथ यू, you must use your polite tactics with them. In doing this, it not only makes things pleasant for the traveling public, but perform an important social service. So in doing, not only make things pleasant, so if the servants, if the conductor, if the people use this technique in the sense simple etiquettes and manners, so definitely help us to make that atmosphere very pleasant than the polluted atmosphere. Now the choice is in our hand whether to live in polluted atmosphere, whether to live in a pleasant atmosphere. Okay, of course everybody likes to pleasant atmosphere, but if you need to if you wish to live in a pleasant atmosphere, then certain responsibilities are there in our shoulder, that we must use these etiquettes and manners to maintain this dignity of the society, to create this pleasant atmosphere in the society, rather to pollute this atmosphere. This much is enough in this video. Remaining part of the same essay, or the same prose or the essay, in the next video. Till then, try to spread the fragrance of these etiquettes and manners in your vicinity, in your surrounding area. Till then, bye bye.